secret hack in here for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Good morning, people. As you can see, it's bright and early. Hope you guys are having a great day. A little pro tip to you if you're struggling to wake up in the morning. Alright, let's get this day started. Good morning YouTube, Jack Walker here. Welcome to another video. Hope you all are having a fantastic day today. As you guys can read from the title, today we are going to do a little full day of eating and training. There's no full day of eating and training without a monster to start off the day. Comment down below, what's your favorite monster flavor? I haven't done this in a while, like a full normal day of eating and training. And I know I have a lot of new subscribers to the channel since the last time I did it. So I wanted to take you guys through the day, show you all the meals I eat in kind of like a normal day and how my training routine is as well. So I'll take you guys through everything. Keep in mind, I'm following the flexible diet if it fits your macros. Not every day is going to look like the same. This is not like a typical day. I don't have like a meal plan I stick to. I eat pretty freely every single day, so not every day is going to look the same. And I also want to cover the topic of the importance of having a balanced lifestyle. I'm going to go a little bit deeper on that later in this video as well, so stay tuned for that. I am currently outside of the grocery store and I'm about to pick up some groceries, adult stuff, you know what I mean. But before we get into this video, just give it a little thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this video, guys. I refuse to believe that I am the only person that snacks while making food. Cookies and cream protein bar from Bodylab. So just got back home from the grocery store, and usually for breakfast I like to have something that includes protein and some carbs and a little bit of fat. So I either go for oats in the morning or I go for eggs, but I wanted to switch it up for YouTube's. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make anabolic French toast. And look at this, guys. If you haven't had Peter Pan peanut butter before, I highly recommend it. This is the honey roast creamy. This is insanely good. I'm going to spread on top of the French toast. I'm going to add a little bit of banana. I see people make these on YouTube and they make it look like extremely cool. Probably going to taste good, but like it's not like the most aesthetically pleasing look, I guess. I don't care, we keep it original over here. So the macros for this meal and the protein bars will be up on the screen. Pretty solid breakfast. I'm also going to use this as my pre-workout meal because I like to be in the gym pretty early. Now that the gyms has opened up again, especially on the days I record, I don't want to be there in the afternoon because it's pretty packed. It's impossible for me to record without people like getting angry at me. Wow, this is freaking good. Now, if this isn't a breakfast of champs, I don't know what is. So I decided to go to another local gym, which is a bit smaller, but my hopes were that gym were going to be a little less crowded and a little bit more spacious than the one I'm usually training at. Long story short, I couldn't be more wrong, and that gym ended up being really crowded. I ended up not being able to film the whole workout because people, let's just put it this way, weren't really happy with me filming. So as always, I started off with a compound movement, then I went into the barbell behind the neck press, then I went into kneeling cable face pulls. The reason why I do it kneeling instead of standing is just to cut away all momentum from the exercise, because when you're standing you tend to use a little bit more momentum, but when you're sitting or kneeling you take away all that momentum and you can focus on squeezing those rear delts. Then I went over to upright rows for the traps and finished up with some lateral raises for my side delts as well. So nice little session. Also did some abs as well, but couldn't record that, so enjoy the rest of the video. Best part start of the month, a new Rideaway package. I'm going to unbox this later in this video, so stay tuned for that. But right now I am going to cook up or make a quick and easy post-workout shake, milkshake, protein shake, smoothie slash post-workout milkshake, protein milkshake smoothie. If you're a high volume person, you will love this. First up, start with the liquid base. I would prefer to have protein powder and milk, but I didn't have that. 300 milliliters of that, or 300 grams for the base. I'll probably drink the rest. Then I have this already made smoothie mix. Just if you're lazy and don't want to cut up all your vegetables, buy this, really cheap. Oh, damn. Okay, take two. We managed to save the protein milk. This is going to go so bad. Oh, I nailed it. Guys, just look at the sheer amount of volume that is. As you can see, I'm about to go for a run, but I thought I could sit down and talk a little bit about a topic that I mentioned earlier in this video, because I feel like it's a really important topic to talk about. A couple of days ago, I got a message on Instagram from a girl that has been watching my videos, and she told me a little bit about her story, that she was recently diagnosed with anorexia, and that she has been using my videos as kind of like a therapy. And like, that message really hit me hard when I read it. I have realized that the message I'm spreading with my videos, the balanced lifestyle, was important, but when I got this message, I felt like I just got a different perspective on how important it is to talk about. Just when I got that message, I felt like I had to talk a little bit about it in my videos, and how important it is to not go into any extremes on both ends when it comes to your diet. Personally, I've been on both sides. Not to an extreme extent, but I have been restricting myself for a long time in a very unhealthy way, and I would never cheat. I would never have a day where I ate bad things, because I thought that would ruin my progression. As crazy as it sounds, I literally thought like having a burger, having an ice cream, having like quote-unquote junk food would ruin my progression, so I would never have it. That would eventually lead into me like, what do you call it, like breaking, and I would just go into like a full binge mode. I would like go eat everything until like the point of being nauseated. After that, I would restrict myself, and the circle continued. So I would restrict myself, and then I would go into like crazy binges, and I did that for a while. That could have led into a really bad spot. Luckily, I was able to be self-aware enough to understand that what I was doing was not a good idea and wouldn't be sustainable in the long run. So I started incorporating kind of like a cheat day, as you guys know, every week. But the big thing I did as well was that I didn't restrict myself during the week either, so I would have a really healthy relationship with food. If I wanted something, I'll just have it, and that combined with me having a really active lifestyle just turned out to work really well for me. So I've been doing that for almost 5-6 years right now, where I've just been following like the if it fits your macros lifestyle. And now I really understand how important it is to have a balanced lifestyle, not restricting yourself and not going on like full-blown binges either. Just staying like in the middle spot, enjoying your food from time to time, having an active lifestyle, staying active, going for walks, training, doing home workouts, just being physically active every single day, and then enjoying your life is definitely the message I want to spread with my channel. But of course, I'm going to keep her name anonymous, because obviously I don't want her name to be out there. That's what I wanted to touch on with this video. Staying healthy while enjoying your life, the balanced lifestyle, that's what we're all about. So right now I'm going to go pick up a package, and then I'm going to go for a little run as well. Yeah, I'll just take you guys with me. First up, about to pick up a package here real quick, and there we go. I got a little secret hack for you guys, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to unbox that after I run. Another day, another 5K. This feels incredible. Ooh, I feel fantastic right now. I almost forgot to show you guys. Here is my post-workout snack. This is 250 grams of quark. I got the rest of the smoothie mix. I got 30 grams of a nut mix and some cinnamon on top as well. I'm sorry it's a little bit dark here. I'll put the total calories up on the screen for you guys as well. Just came out of the shower, had a great run, feel fantastic right now. This is just a quick little snack to get some protein, carbs in before I get into my big meal. I talked about this a little bit earlier, but I like to have my big meals saved to the evening because that's when I get the most cravings. So therefore I have like a nice big high volume meal in the evening to fill me up so I won't get as much cravings. Secret tip right there. And I also got this package, as you guys saw earlier, from my sponsor Riderwear. And if you guys are interested in getting anything from Riderwear, just hit the link in my description and use JackW10 at checkout. Get some epic new gym wear or just active wear in general. I know a lot of you guys love the Riderwear clothing as well, so here are some new collections for men. Now I got it nice and laid out. As you can see, here we have the Energy Pullover hoodie. Nice and thick, looks good. We got a shaker cup. It's a little bit dark in here, but we even got Riderwear straps. Some heavy back days going down. We got this one, which is a energy mesh tea bag. You can just look at the material, nice and airy. Can't wait to run in this. Looks really nice breathing material. Here we have a energy track pants. Nice detailing on the back as well, love that. I think I have this one just in another color. That's the monthly package for now. If you guys want to grab anything, Rider is having a huge sale going on right now. Minimum 40% off the entire website. So if you guys are interested, go check them out. Can confirm that the new Riderwear hoodie is bomb AF. I probably should have washed it, but just look how clean and good that material is. No, ladies and gentlemen, this is not roids. This is caffeine capsules, which you put in your water and it's kind of like carbonated. Instead of like using endless money on energy drinks, I usually have these when I'm editing and stuff like that. And I mix that with this, which is something you add into your water. In Norwegian we call it soft. It's pretty much just like a sweetener you can add into your water with 0 calories. But that's enough talking for now. Now we're going to cook up the dinner meal. What we have here, 100% chicken breast, just turned into minced meat. Still the same macros as regular chicken breast. We got a tikka masala sauce, Uncle Ben's, shout out Uncle Ben. We got eggs and we got some vegetables. So we're going to cook all those things together and make a nasty meal. I mean, guys, look at that. If you guys are interested, we have chicken minced meat, rice, tikka masala sauce, we have some low-fat cheese here, and we got some vegetables. This is huge, a huge portion. Here we have the last meal of the day. As I told you guys, I love to have really high volume food at the end of the day, so this is a portion. I have pretty much say 1.5 portion left after this as well. It will fill me up, it will satisfy my cravings, and I'll put total calories up on the screen right here for you guys. A lot of protein, good carbs, and that is pretty much going to conclude this full day of eating. This is kind of like a typical day of what I would eat, eating around 2,500 calories, 2,006 every single day. I gotta keep it honest, I haven't been the best at tracking lately, but I feel like I've done a good job at maintaining a pretty lean physique while not tracking like too strictly. So come on guys, don't tell me you wouldn't smash that. So simple, so good. I live by myself, so I'm pretty plain when it comes to meals. I'm pretty simple. I don't need anything to be fancy. I just need it to taste decent and give me some good macros. So this has been kind of like a normal full day of eating and training with me, and hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. Now you have a little insight to how I train and eat on a regular day when I don't have cheat days. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. Thank you once again for all the support lately. It makes me happy to see that you guys are enjoying the videos. If you have any suggestions to content you want to see on the channel, drop it down below and I'll make that happen. Give it a little thumbs up, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Peace out, rabbit.